If people, aged people, they come and they say, can't I do Sirasasana? Huh? So how should not disappoint them, right? But everyone can do safely using the prop. Shoulder, or shall I ask the Kalai to do? Kalai has come. You can do. Okay, fine. If not comfortable, you come down. So this one you can do safely because your shoulder is supported there. Your shoulder is supported. Yeah, come now. Be safe, I am there. That's why I told. Kalai, come. See, the shoulder has to be broader. No, this one has broader arms. Her shoulder, she needs some smaller frame. This frame is longer. So here, so here if you see that the head is, so the head is hanging down, there is no strain in the upper back. When the neck is, all the body weight is here on the shoulder. So there is no strain or any weight on your neck. So no weight on your neck, on your head is very free. So there is no strain. So all the weight is on the shoulder and the shoulder is supported. So you can do this. In the beginning you may find it little difficult, but when you practice it, it will become very easy and all the strain in the neck, upper back, everything can be relieved. Doing it properly, under the guidance. It is not without the Amazon order. You have to practice under the teacher for some time, then you can do. No complaints. So like this, there are many props out there where you can execute the asana, the difficult asana also, without any strain or pain to your body. So, okay, you can go for your lunch. Thank you so much for joining, and we will explore in the future also more these kind of workshops if you're willing to participate in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm very grateful to all and for our department, our students. Sorry, Roshna. Okay, thank you so much. We'll assemble after the lunch. See you.